3 nights in Bangkok is definitely enough for anyone. And I've decided it's time to head for the beaches. So I'm at Don Mueang airport, where I'm going to catch an internal flight down to Phuket. From there, I'm going to get a minibus and go to Penang, and then on to Koh Lak, which is where I'm heading. Good morning, Bangkok. Another day in paradise. If I'm looking a bit worse for wear, probably because I am. God, what a night. Absolute having it large on Koh San Road. And feeling it this morning. Well, it's time for breakfast. So I'm going to go to one of these proper little noodle shops, noodle restaurants, trad Thai. Be rude not to. Grab myself some breakfast. Oh, Geo Nam. Another one of my favourite Thai noodle soups. But I have it without the noodles, but with extra bean sprouts. Just the way I am. Absolutely delicious. You've got all these little things here. You can add a little bit more flavour. A bit more spice. Oh, absolute dog's bollocks. A bit more spice. Perfect hangover cure. Delicious, refreshing, good for the soul. Oh. Full of flavour. So nice. Really good. Try a bit of this pork. And you know what? 60 baht. That's like about £1.20. Try one of these testicle things. Tastes like sausage meat. Who knows? These dumplings. Yeah, I don't have noodles in the morning because I find them a little bit filling. He says as he plows into a dumpling. Oh, so good. You know, I'm not going to say it beats the traditional full English, but I'm not in England, I'm in Thailand. And sometimes it's good to have a little change. And you don't get better than this. Geo Nam, a proper Thai restaurant. Happy days. Finally arrived in Khao Lak and checking in to the KoKotel. Right, my room at the KoKotel 108. Oh my God. Have a look at that. Bathroom, toilet, shower. Wow. This is absolute heaven. Fantastic double bed. Television I won't be using. Fridge. air conditioning. And look at this. Patio doors that actually lead out to the swimming pool. How about that? Well, you just can't ask for better than that, can you? Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. This is one of the many reasons I love Thailand. Paradise. Absolute paradise. And this hotel's cost me basically about 20 quid a night. Absolute bargain. Time to get settled in. First impressions of the KoKotel something hotel. Absolutely blown away. Look at that. Fantastic. That just looks so good. That swimming pool is definitely going to get christened within the next hour. So excited. Well, this is Koh Lak village in Phang Nga. It's my first night here. I'm just having a little walk around to see what this lovely place has to offer. My first impressions, to be honest, were actually good. And a couple of small things happened that sort of changed my day. But I got over them. They were only small things. And here I am. And the funny thing is, as I say, when you first arrive in a place, it's always quite daunting because you don't really know anything, you don't know where you are, you've got to find your way around. But the more you settle in, the better it gets. So yeah, I'm in Koh Lak, never been here before, which is what I plan, to go somewhere where I've never been before. Now, from what I've seen so far, it is a really touristy sort of village. Town. I don't really know what it is. Town, I guess. But yeah, really touristy. A lot of couples, older couples with family. A lot of younger people around. A lot of restaurants. A lot of little bars. A complete mixing pot of different kinds of people. We've got German, Austrian, Indian, Asian, and of course your average Brit is here as well. Really popular amongst the Brits, this village. And of course, this is Thailand. And if you're looking for lady bars, you will not be disappointed. Koh Lak has its fair share. Well, I'm walking along and I couldn't resist it. Marketplace. Okay. Look at this. All food market. A few little brick and brack places. But this is Koh Lak market. I wasn't expecting to see this, but that's what happens when you just go with the flow and see what's around. Look at that. Looks like red snapper. I'm definitely determined to have one of those. Oh my God. Done it now. Absolutely done it now. Ribs. That's my weak spot. I'll be back in again for a minute. Love walking around these little markets. Well, actually quite a big market. All the food stalls, shoes, clothes, shooting gallery. Becoming more and more popular, those little shooting galleries. Must admit, I did have a go myself the other day. Was a bit lubricated, so didn't 100% do as well as I'm sure I could have done under normal circumstances, but we won't go there. Look at that, all these lovely little carvings, souvenirs, bric-a-brac, As you can see, look, loads of little families around here. Mixed cultures. Brits, Germans, Russians, Austrians, Indians. Yeah, people from all parts of this wonderful world. And that's what makes it even better. Just like a big mixing pot. I've decided to stop off at my first restaurant and have myself a pork massaman curry. What I like about this restaurant is it looks good, it's clean, it's tidy, and it's well priced as well, you know. I mean, you're talking like 150, 200 baht for a meal, which is about £5. I mean, you can't go wrong with that, can you? £5 for a nice proper Thai meal. Right, I am in Thai Life restaurant and bar. Makata Thai barbecue. I won't be having that today, but I have decided, as it is my first night in Koh Lak, I'm gonna go for a massaman curry with pork. And that is 150 baht. Absolute bargain. Happy days. My massaman curry has arrived. Look at that. Rice. And the curry itself. This looks absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at the presentation. This just looks so good. It tastes absolutely delicious, but just lacking a little bit. Then I do like a lot of salt, so probably my fault as much as anyone else's. Chuck a bit of that on there. You know what? I'm not going to spoil it with anything else. Just a bit of salt, just to bring that flavour out. Creamy coconut sauce and pork, but doesn't need anything else. Absolutely delicious. My first meal in Khao Lak. Yeah, if it carries on like this, we're going to be a happy bunny. Chuck a bit of rice in there. Oh, feels like I've landed in paradise. And the prices, you know, 150 baht this one is, 200 baht if you want a shrimp, but less than a £5. Less than a £5 for such a good meal, and a lovely little restaurant as well. Service really good. For my first meal, I'm giving it an 8. Should be a 9 actually, but I'm not feeling generous yet. I'm not feeling that generous today, so it's going to have an 8 because my time in Koh Lak has only just started, and I know there's going to be a lot more to choose from. There. Actually, no, sod it. I'll give it a 9. Really good. Really good. Oh, happy days.